Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a document from Google Docs permanently. So let's get into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to open Google Docs and then navigate to the document that you want to remove. For example, I want to delete this document from my account. So I'm going to click on this three dot icon and then click remove. By the way, before clicking on that, make sure that you have selected the correct document. You don't want to accidentally remove an important document. Also, you have the option to duplicate the document by making a copy or downloading the document to your device. Other than that, you can go ahead and click remove. After that, click move to trash. So basically, your document will be moved to your Google Drive trash folder, and it will sit there until 30 days before it will eventually be deleted permanently. So first, we need to move it to the trash folder. Click move to trash. Okay, now the document has been removed from your account and it is now sitting in the trash folder. The next thing we need to do is to open Google Drive. Go ahead and open a new tab and visit Google Drive. Navigate to the trash folder. And this was a document that I just recently removed from my Google Docs account. To remove this document permanently, you must click on this icon and then click delete forever. And click delete forever again. And that's how you can remove Google Docs document from your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel and I'll see you on the next video.